Alright, we're doing a quick walk around video of this beautiful 2013 Triumph Speed Triple 1050. Got some great accessories on this bike. We got some crash protection, Leo Vince exhaust. Comes with a single-sided swing arm on this unit. Also have some frame sliders, tail tidy kit, fender eliminator. Great motorcycle. Sitting at 17,479 miles. Do a quick startup. If you have any questions, please contact Anthony at Colorado Springs Powersports. I'm more than happy to take care of you guys.
Mm-hmm.